So how do you soften a color like this hot fluorescent pink because you love the shade of it, but don't always want that intensity? Let me show you exactly what I do when I want to soften it just a little and warm it up as I take it down. All right, let's slide on over here. Okay, so let's take some of my hot pink. Just gonna lay it on. Now you can see that is really bright. And as much as I love it, I can't always use it that bright in my in what I have going on. So I've got some gold paint here that I'm just taking. And I'm actually gonna mix it from here on out with a brush because I like the way it sort of blends and there's streaks of the two colors together. Sometimes I leave that, but here, just take a look at it. It's really bright on its own. And when you bring in that gold, just look at how much it warms it up. It softens it. It makes it this beautiful pink, but it's not so overwhelming. However, it's still bright. And if I want from there, I could even add some white in. It adds an element of opacity. And it's getting a little too pink for me now, so it's still got that warmth. So I'm going to bring back some of the gold in just to show you the blend. And it just adds that warmth back in. And the gold being just slightly reflective, it takes it to another level. And look at that. It's just this beautiful, beautiful pink. So next time you want to try, you're just in love with something this bright, it's a transparent paint. You've got to mix it with other stuff. It just doesn't hold on its own sometimes. Try mixing it with a beautiful metallic-y gold and watch the warmth of it come in and add another layer of richness to the paint. And then you just lighten it or not from there with your white. And see how much that will do for the overall composition of your painting.